how to delete a message on Facebook Marketplace. So if you want to delete a message on Facebook Marketplace, then first you need to log into your Facebook account. Once you've logged in, then here on the left side, you will have a screen with the navigation menu. You'll need to simply go with the Marketplace option. Now when you select the Marketplace, you will get to this page. Now here on the left side screen, you will have a bunch of options. So you just need to simply go with an option of Inbox. Simply click on Inbox. Once you click on Inbox, here you will have selling and buying options, right? And here you will have all of the chat. So if you don't have any chat, then you can simply go with a listing and then you can chat with that person. But if you have any chats and if you want to delete that, then what you need to do is simply click on the chat. Once you click on the chat, it will take you to the Messenger page, right? You will have a small kind of window here, which will take you to the Messenger, like this kind of interface. You will have a Messenger kind of interface. And once you have that, here you will have 3 dots icon on the right side. You just need to simply click on the 3 dots on the message that you've sent, and you will have unsend option or remove option. You can simply unsend for you or unsend for everyone, and then you'll be able to remove the chats like this. So that's it. In this way, you'll be able to delete a chat on Facebook Marketplace. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.